Hey everyone, if your mouse keeps randomly disconnecting and reconnecting on Windows 11, I totally get how frustrating that can be. 1 minute you're scrolling, the next, boom, it freezes or cuts out. But don't worry, in this video I will walk you through a few simple fixes to stop your mouse from acting up once and for all. Let's get started. First, let's roll out the basics. Try plugging your mouse into a different USB port. If you're using a USB hub or extender, connect the mouse directly to your PC instead. Sometimes it's just a bad port or wired connection. Now let's check your USB power settings. Press Windows X and select Device Manager. Scroll down to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, then expand that list. You will see several entries. Look for ones that say USB Root Hub or Generic USB Hub. Right-click on the first one and choose Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. If you see the options that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, make sure it's unchecked. Do this for every USB root hub listed. This stops Windows from trying to save power by cutting off USB devices like your mouse. Still happening? Alright, let's move to driver updates. Back in Device Manager, scroll up and find a mice and other pointing devices. Right-click your mouse and choose Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. If Windows doesn't find anything, you can also go to the manufacturer's website and manually download the latest driver. Next, let's make sure Windows itself is up to date. Press Windows I to open Settings, then go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install anything that shows up. An outdated operating system can cause all kinds of weird hardware issues. Now, if you're using a wireless mouse, here is a quick tip. Replace the battery. Even if it seems fine, a low battery can cause disconnects without warning. Also, try moving the USB receiver to the front of your PC if it's plugged into the back. Interference from other ports or components could be the problem. Another thing to check, your power plan settings. Open Control Panel, then go to Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings, then change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down to USB Settings, USB Selective Suspended Settings, USB Selective Suspended Settings. Set that to disabled for both on battery and plugged in if you're on a laptop. Stay with me? Awesome, one last option. Check for corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and type sfc/Scannow, then hit Enter. This scans for any broken system files that could be interfering with your hardware. Let it finish completely. It usually takes a few minutes. After trying these steps, restart your PC and test the mouse again. In most cases, one of these fixes does the trick, and that's it. Hopefully your mouse is now working like it should. No more random disconnects. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple tech fixes. And if you're still stuck or need more help, just drop a comment below and I will reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.